Hello guys, if the YouTube app on your Google TV streamer 4K is not working, such that whenever you try to open it you're getting a black screen, or sometimes you get the YouTube cannot connect right now error, or the YouTube app just keeps crashing, even the situation where it automatically closes by itself. Now there are basically two ways to fix this problem on your Google TV streamer 4K. The first and the simplest is to simply unplug your Google TV streamer 4K from the power source. You want to also unplug your actual TV from the power source as well. Wait for about 5 minutes and then go ahead and plug back both devices to the power source again. Once both devices are connected to the power source, before you proceed to open up the YouTube app one more time on your Google TV streamer 4K, you want to head over to your Wi-Fi. Go ahead and make sure you are connected to the Wi-Fi and there is actually internet connection as well. To be sure you have internet connection on your Wi-Fi or hotspot, you can try connecting other devices to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot and then see if you can actually browse the internet using that other device. If it works, then you want to proceed to connect your Google TV streamer 4K to that same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. And once you're connected, you want to go ahead and try opening up the YouTube app one more time. And trust me, 50% of the time, this will fix the problem of YouTube cannot connect right now on your Google TV streamer 4K. But if after trying this, you're still getting the YouTube cannot connect right now problem, the final solution you want to try, which I know works 100% of the time, is to check the date and time settings of your Google TV streamer 4K. So you want to head over to the settings of your Google TV streamer 4K. You want to scroll down until you get to the system settings and then to the date and time settings. Now under automatic date and time, you want to make sure that this is actually set to use network provided time, and then you want to go over to your Wi-Fi this time around. Come over to your Wi-Fi connection settings. Just go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi, turn it on again, and then try to connect to your Wi-Fi or hotspot network. Once you're connected, go ahead and try opening up the YouTube app one more time on your Google TV streamer 4K. Click on the try again button, and this time you should have fixed any problem with the YouTube app not working on your Google TV streamer 4K, or you're getting the cannot connect right now problem on your Google TV streamer 4K. And as you can see, mine works pretty well. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.